Okay, we're now at the second half of this example, and this one we're going to put another side waterway in, and then intersect it with the one we've got. What I've done here, I've opened up the first example. I went File, Save As, and I've called it Example Waterway Example 2. That way we've got a clean database to work on, and if something goes wrong we can always go back to the one we've already got. So I've clicked on Import Variable ASCII. This is the same as the first example, so I'll try to do this a little bit faster. So it's a text file, and it's the r21.txt. We go OK, next, 5 fields, next, northing, easting, height, finish. Now what it's asking here, it's asking for the start point number again. In this case we've already got an existing road and we want to differentiate between what the point numbers on different roads, so add a number here that's bigger than what it's suggesting but an easy one to remember. So I'm going to start at 10,000, click OK, again say no here. So let's put those points in here from 10,000 upwards. So again we go to drain, auto drain, 20 between nodes. I'll make this 160, it's thinner than the main drain. Now the point range here, we're starting at 10,000, don't want to use the one, otherwise we're going to use everything that's in the job as an alignment. Click OK. Okay, so hit the escape key, make sure no drains are selected. Left click on this drain so we know which one the easy grade knows which one to use. Click on profile. Right, again we're going to calculate a profile alignment. Again we'll use 20 feet. Again we're going uphill here, so 0.03. Click run. Okay, it's our new profile alignment. Click profile to close it down. Righto, if the grid gets in the way, click on G for grid, tick the view it. Right, so again we need to do some sections on this drain. So similar, we're going to fill this in as last time. Okay, I've just filled all those values in, you didn't have to see me do that again. Click OK and recalculate. Again we'll change this, make it 5 feet and 1 feet. Okay, again we want to merge it. It's a drain, yes, we want it as a design. And turn off the drain icon here so I can see what's happened. Okay, this is our finished design. Now if you have a look in what it's done, it's as per the first waterway, it's put in our second one. And it's drawn these brake lines. So what it's done, when it's found out it's intersected with an existing brake line, so the starts at the outside and intersects the respective edges. This is where those codes come in when you define your templates, and that's why these are cut here. They don't go any further, they've been broken off and the bits in the middle have been taken out. Now if you look in the center here, it hasn't worked for the one 12 feet out, and why that is, you can see one of them's intersected, but the second one, our second alignment, didn't go quite far enough, and so they need to come out in pairs to take that point out. As it happens here, it's flat in the middle, so it doesn't really matter. If it is an issue, you have to go back, you'll unmerge this drain, then you'll click that first alignment, move it out so this line here intersects that line, and do it all again and re-merge it back in. You can also see there's a couple of little issues here. This is just not a problem with the program as such. This is the trying to get the second drain to match the first one, because we've only got heights here of 4.5 feet and these were 9 feet. So this is why you've got this dip down and then it starts going back up the hill again. Oh, but anyway, that's our finished surface. We can take it out in the field and make it. Oh, again, you can get rid of these ugly infill bits if it's confuses people. And there you go. Okay, thanks for your time.